Our partner, Leap71, is redefining what rocket science means. Their engine unleashes 2 meganewton of thrust. That's 200 tons of unstoppable power. Forged in the full flow stage combustion cycle, the holy grail of propulsion. We printed the injector of this engine in less than 4 days. In the race to space, complexity slows you down. But what if the future of propulsion was printed and not assembled? No CAD, no compromise. Just pure algorithmic design. Just Noyron, Leap71's large computational engineering model to create this outstanding design. This more than 130 kilogram injector for the XRB2E6 engine, traditionally manufactured of hundreds of parts, is now a single integrated component.
Printed on the NXT12600 with 12 lasers. More than 1.5 kilograms every hour printed. So it takes less than 4 days to print the entire injector. Next-gen material parameters will cut production time even further.
Built to withstand extreme heat and pressure, it mixes pre-combusted methane and oxygen, pushing Inconel 718 to its limits. From design to ignition, this is engineering reimagined. Simplicity, scalability, speed. The future flies with Nikon SLM Solutions and Leap71.